Okay, so Apple recently launched their Apple Watch Series 10. It does have a lot of new features, new S10 chip, but is it waterproof? Well, to be honest, it's not. None of the wearables or even handheld gadgets are waterproof. They are all water resistant. And to explain that, we have these new ratings like IP68 or 5ATM rating. But what does that actually mean? Let me explain. Now, the IP68 has two numbers, the 6 and 8. The first number indicates the level of protection against solid objects like dust and other particles. So in this case, 6 means it's the best. It's completely dust proof. So there is no way dust can enter and damage the components inside. But the 8 is best, but up to a certain degree. So normally it's 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, but in the case of Apple Watch Series 10, there is another rating for water resistance. That's the 5ATM rating. The Apple Watch Series 10 has a water resistance rating of 50 meters for about 10 minutes. So the Apple Watch Series 10 shouldn't be used for scuba diving, water skiing, or other activities that include high velocity water or submersion below the shallow depth. So yes, you can definitely take it to the rain, you can have shower with it, or you can go to the pool occasionally, but don't try to overdo it, don't try to do it for a longer time, and that will not be covered under warranty. Plus, on top of that, this water resistance thing is not a permanent condition. It can actually diminish over time. So the wear and tear will damage the seal and then things will get inside it and even it will not become a dustproof anymore. So this water resistance rating or the dustproofing rating is only good for a new or almost new Apple Watch Series 10. So do keep that in mind. But then also we are talking about the fresh water in this whole case. We're not talking about hot waters, sodas and stuff like that, or any kind of chemicals or hot beverages. None of that. They can actually damage the components inside, even on a new watch. And also it doesn't include the salt water. So if you want to be on the safer side, do keep all of these things in mind and use your Apple Watch Series 10.
And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.